intellectual and cultural contribution of the Arab civilization. This question is very important for the point of view of Islamic religion. So describe the intellectual and cultural contribution of the Arab. Introduction and background में क्या लिखेंगे? Arab situated in the southwest Asia, maximum desert except coastal areas. Arab called Jazirat al-Arab. Arabian Peninsula, fertile land of southern Arab called blessed Arab, and pre-Islamic time called Jahiliyyah or age of ignorance, also mentioned in Quran as time of backwardness. Maximum gypsy life, but in the south permanent resident. First of all, Prophet Muhammad worked for the social, political, religious, and economic unity of Arab and introduced Islam religion. After his death, pious caliphs and then Umayyads and Abbasids caliphs spread the religion of Islam and the state in many areas. With the development of religion and state and the development of Islamic art and culture also spread, and the entire world was impressed by its richness. Main features of the Islamic art and culture was education. First of all, primary education in mosque and kutub school. Teacher was called faqih, and mainly religious education. Higher education, Baghdad, Makkah, Medina, Basra, Kufa were famous center. Boarding houses, scholarship, donations by the state and rich persons provided religious and other education, mainly Arabic language. Literature की बात करें तो history, आबिद इबन शरिया, अल-मुलुक अखबार, इबन इसाक सिरात रसूल अल्लाह, कुतबा किताब अल-मारिफ, अल-तवारी तारीख अल-रसूल व अल-मुलुक अल-बालाधुरी, अल-बुल्दान, अल-दीवानारी, अल-अखबार, अल-तिवाली याकूबी और मिशका व यह विश्व इतिहास अल-मसूदी called Herodotus of Arab, मुरूज अल-गहाब व मादीन अल-जवाहर, इबन अल-अथीर, अल-कामिल फ़ी अल-तारीख, अल-बरूनी किताबुल हिंद एक्सेट्रा वर फेमस हिस्टोरियन. रिलीजियस एंड लॉ लिटरेचर की बात करें तो हदीस मीनिंग described which are stated by the Prophet from the time to time. Ibn Ali al-Ojam of Kufa, who distributed handwritten hadith book on hadith by Muhammad ibn Ismail al-Bukhari, considered most authentic. Abu Yusuf Kitab al-Khiraj, Malik ibn Anas al-Muvtam were famous. Philosophy, al-Kindi was very famous, called philosopher or Arab. He was also a physician, magician and geographer. Another was al-Farabi, al-Falsafa, al-Ullah. Other literature, love poems were very famous in Umayyad time. Umar ibn Abi Rabia was very famous, called Abid of Arabs. Others were Ibn al-Mulawa, Warkash, Lala Majnun, Miskin al-Darimi, and Hamad al-Rabia were political poet. Hammam was famous songwriter. Al-Juhri and Ibn Jini were a philologist. Al-Jahshari, writer of Alaf Laila wa Laila or Alif Laila or Arab Sahasra Jashni, etc. Development in science में medical. Al-Harish ibn Kala, the physician of Arab. Yuhunna and Hunain, eye doctor. Jibril ibn Baktis Tawari. Firdawas al-Hikmah. Al-Rachi Kitab al-Asrar. Ali ibn Ali Abbas ibn Sina, called king of scholar. Geography, Yaqut Yaqub al-Yaqubi Qudama, Muhammad ibn Ibrahim al-Fazri, Yahya al-Baruni, etc. Maths and astrology में al-Fazri, al-Khwarizmi, al-Khayyam, Abu Bakr Muhammad al-Karachi, Hawas al-Hasib, etc. Chemistry and geology में al-Jahiz Kitab al-Haywan, Jabir ibn Hayyam, Kitab al-Haram, al-Raji, etc. Development of art में architecture, Damascus, Baghdad, Makkah, Medina, Basra, etc. Famous center, mosques, palace, fort, houses, etc. Example, use of mihrab, minar, dome, maksura, safe site for caliph in mosque, and they all were decorated with verses of the Quran, colorful stones, geometric patterns, glass paintings of flowers, leaves, branches, etc. Paintings may not allowed in Islam, less development for the beautification of wall, used of verses of the Quran, geometric pattern painting of flowers, leaves, branches, etc. And the caliphs made portraits of male, female, birds and animals in their palace. And sculptures may also not allowed in the Islam, less development, but the caliphs made sculptures of animals, birds, trees, flowers and also human sculptures. Music की बात करें तो music made the Arabic word music. Earlier the people of the groups of camels used to sing the song Huda, and music was also not allowed in Islam, but much development. Tubis, father of music, Al-Khansa, Rabia, Hababa, Jamila, Salma, Surayas, Khalifa, Al-Mehdi, Ibn Jami, Sayyad, Ibrahim Khalifa, Al-Wathiq were famous musicians and singers, also written many books and developed many music instruments. Calligraphy, called holy books, holy work, it was awarded work. Quran and other texts were written. Al-Rihani, Yaqub Mukullah were famous calligrapher. Conclusion में इसमें क्या लिखा जाएगा? During the reign of Umayyad and Abbasids, the religion of Islam and the kingdom spread to many parts of Asia, Europe and Africa, and there has been a lot of development in the field of literature, art and science. Its influence can be seen today in the whole world.